Another day, another one of these stop motion shorts. I say that it's probably been a week. It doesn't feel like a week to me, but well, it must have been if they're releasing one. Unless they've decided to release 2 a week, maybe. But yeah, this one is called Fluttershy's Hiccups. It's a stop motion short, episode 15 of My Little Pony. Friendship is Magic. Well, just called My Little Pony. Well, I don't have high hopes for this one. It's just going to be Fluttershy having the hiccups. And then I'm guessing Pinkie Pie is going to come in here and do like, those normal things to try and get someone else to stop hiccuping, like trying to scare them, maybe drinking some water, holding your breath in, whatever. So, that is what I think. Oh god. Fluttershy, you should really clean your eye. It looks like you have a black spot on it. Like an eyelash maybe went in. Maybe it's not gonna be Pinkie Pie. It's gonna be Lemon. Maybe it is something in America. Maybe like something maybe something sour. I mean, if I cared enough, I would look up kind of like what causes hiccups. Why do we get hiccups? Oh god. Should you just take random potions from people? Fluttershy? Even if it is your friend Applejack? Yeah, this could really do, like I've said a lot of times with these stop motion shorts. Even just getting it like sound alike. You don't need to get the actual voice actors for these characters. But the ones who do the giggles, get them to maybe do some voices. Yeah, so I did not really care for this. And yeah, did she stop Hiccup in the end? Wait, let me check, because I completely missed if she stopped Hiccup. No, she didn't. It's just that with that tonic or whatever, her hiccups make things grow. Okay. Well, let's hope Fluttershy doesn't get any weird side effects from that. I would not want that to happen to Fluttershy. Alright, well, that was that. I now see that I don't have any water and my mouth is so dry. Oh god. Yeah, but I did not care for this one.